If you have been thinking about adding another stream of income to you and your family, helping out with the budget, and if you love Norwex products, or if you've just been super curious about Norwex products, March might be your month because Norwex just announced a join for free option where you can literally become a Norwex consultant, get a free kit that includes 3 of the top sellers company-wide, the EnviroCloth, window cloth, and dust mitt. So remember, the EnviroCloth is going to be your everything cloth. Its best friend, the window cloth, and then the dusting mitt. So these 3 items will come in the Join for Free kit, and you just pay the $9.99 to ship it to your house. That's amazing. And you get full consultant privileges, the ability to earn 35% on all the products that you sell. So let's say you sell $100 worth of products to a friend or family member, you earn $35. Or if you sell 300, it's just over $100. Or if you do a party, whether online or in person or texting, and let's say you have $1,000 in sales because people love our products, they're amazing. That means you, the consultant, earned $350. So the average earning per party across the company is about $233. So if you take that average and divide it by the estimated 3 hours of time invested in most parties, that means we're earning like $77 an hour. It's just incredible. And I've been with Norwex now for 15 years. I love the products. I love our business opportunity. I love equipping others to be successful here. And I can tell you that it just absolutely changed my life, the fact that I jumped in and said yes. So there's 2 other kit options as well in March. So you can do the Join for Free with those 3 products. You can do the Safe Haven 5 set for just $99 plus the $9.95 shipping, so less than $10 shipping. And in that, you get the top 5 sellers: EnviroCloth, window cloth, dust mitt, cleaning paste, and the Ultra Power Plus laundry soap. And so those 2 options are both risk-free. There's no sales requirements to keep the kit. It's just, you don't have to earn it for free. Now, the third option is pretty fabulous. You can literally start for $9.99 and get the full standard kit up front, which comes with my favorite cleaning product in our catalog, which is the mop system, and those 5 Safe Haven 5 products and the face and body cloths and some business materials. But here's what's so exciting. You can actually start risk-free with either the Join for Free kit or the Safe Haven 5 kit. And should you submit $1,000 in sales in your first 30 days, they are still going to also ship you the full standard kit with the mop and the rubber brush and all the things for free. And should you not meet that goal, if you submit $2,000 in your first 90 days, they're going to ship you the standard kit for free. All right. So in March, it is just kind of a no-brainer to give this a shot if you've been considering it, or certainly if you've been looking for a product that you really believe in, something you're passionate about, something that you know is going to make a huge difference in other people's life, and still being able to earn income for you and your family. I know for me, Norwex has been the answer to all of that. Now, if you're working with a consultant, you're going to want to get a sign-up link from your consultant. If I am your consultant, and I would be delighted to be your sponsor and your mentor, then you will join at www.joinwithsonya.com. That's SONYA.com, and just choose the kit. Now, when you sign up, I want you to know a few things. First of all, I highly recommend you opt in for the 3 months free of Office Suite. That's going to give you your customer-facing website, and I think it's really a great deal, but it's up to you if you want to do that. Also, at the time of sign up, you can choose the upgrade package. Now, no matter what starter kit you do, you can still do the upgrade. What's cool about this is you not only get your 35% off right up front, easy button, but you get an extra 10% off as well. And those sales count toward your personal sales of earning that standard kit for free as well. All right, I do recommend too that you just always opt in for text messages and communication from Norwex, of course. All right, so if you have questions, again, if you're working with another consultant, be sure to connect with them. They can answer those questions. If you're working with me, be sure to send me a message. You can text me at 830-255-7570, and I'm happy to answer any of those questions. And if you decide to jump in with Norwex, welcome. I believe it can be one of the most incredible decisions you've made in your life. Why not give it a try?